Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. So today Sunday, so we're going to review all the stock that we talk about this week. Before we go into the individual stock, right, we look at the KLCI. So this is the weekly chart. This is a weekly. One candle is 1 week. Okay. So if we can't see how bad is the market in daily, you can see weekly. Okay. So you see the weekly chart. Let me get my drawing tool out. Wait a second. Here we go. So one big red candle, two big red candle, and the red candle is even bigger than the previous red candle. So you haven't seen this big red candle, right, for quite some time. Okay, only here, okay, got some big red candle, and here, okay, was a big candle. But this one, there's no break. Okay, the market support. Okay, market support, push it up, push it up, push it up. So this time market didn't support. Okay, here, actually here. 1555. Okay, market support, 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 boom, no support. So market, the angel, our guardian angel, who got this guarding this 1555. Remember we talked about a guardian angel, right? In the stock market, guarding this 1555, don't want it to go to bear market. Okay, so guardian angel left. Okay. So now remember we say 1529, there's a support over here. Okay. So you see the price come to 1529, so there is some okay, the price got some rejection. Whether it will go back up here or not, we don't know. Okay, we have to wait and see, but temporarily, okay, it stopped the bleeding. Okay, not so bad. That's why you see the last few days, right? You see the last few days, the price didn't dive. You see here, no more dive. Dive here, no more dive. Stabilize. Okay, because the support over here, 1529. We saw that last week already. Last week already we saw that. That's why technical analysis. Okay, we can see where is the opportunity. We can see where is the danger. We can see what is the market sentiment. Is it neutral? Is it bearish or is it bullish? Okay, bullish. Okay, so we know now what is the sentiment, whether it's the right time or not. Then we wait for the opportunity. Where is the opportunity to go in, and where is the opportunity to run? Right? That is what we can see in our chart analysis. Okay, let's look at the index first. All the index first. The sector index. Look at consumer. Our V-shaped recovery already failed. Remember last week video? Okay, so supposed to continue come out here. So this one already U-turn coming back. Okay, so but it's obvious obvious. COVID already. COVID our MCO, right, and PPN, right, after implement PPN even worse, right, during MCO already fall to 4,000. Okay, once the PPN come back to 6,000. So this very obvious that we said COVID cannot be under control. Okay, the consumer index, the consumer stock got no chance. Okay, so this is what happened. So never mind. Okay, during when we noticed this problem that time, okay, our this consumer play, all the consumer stock haven't lose money yet. Okay, lose also little bit only. Okay, so at least, okay, when we see opportunity we go in, but when we see the danger, okay, this chart can tell us when we see the danger we cut, okay, we run. Okay, so don't hold the stop, okay, hold until 50% losses, 60% losses. Okay, that time you come to me, I also cannot do much, I only can see where there is support, possible there's rebound, okay, there's a possible opportunity to rebound, at certain area there's only that I can do, okay, but yeah, 50-60% is just too late, okay, just too late, it's nothing much we can do. So consumer KO, industry also KO, okay, lower low, so this one haven't made lower low possible, okay, now is market is going quite sideways neutral, okay, but could be a possible small rebound, okay, could have a possible small rebound or price continue to drop, okay, could have a possible rebound because in the middle, right, so we are not sure yet because now price is oscillating, okay, running sideways, okay, running sideways, so there could be a small rebound, but overall the trend means the sentiment is down, okay, the sentiment is down because it created lower low first thing, okay. Second thing, remember this long-term channel, right? It was oscillating inside the channel, doing very well, okay, going up. Then you see it broke the channel. Let me extend the line. Okay, remember, check out my what happened to the line? Okay, remember broke the support resistance. Okay, broke the trend line. Okay, broke the trend line. Looks bad. If we continue to break below this. Okay, let's draw a level over here. Now it haven't broke below this. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's bad but not that bad. Okay, if it break below this one, 184. Okay, most likely it will continue to drop. Okay, but this is already bearish trend. Okay, already bearish channel already created. Okay, a beginning of a bearish channel already created. Oh, I have to talk about this first. Come here and talk about this. Okay, finally, I done the.
You need to stop buying stocks now.
I'm not sure who is this guy.
You must be
not
wondering.
advertising for him. Okay, so he's a Singaporean trader. Momentum indicator to measure or to every. Okay, so we got okay, 6, 7. Chart example. Consider this got a description. We got chart example and we got live chart. It's moving down. Okay, so this one after that, this is okay. So don't miss out this one. Took me quite some time to do it and a lot of commitment to do to do it. So finally it's done. Video 4. So don't miss it out to use this technical chart. You see, most of the time I talk about two things. Okay, pattern, right? Channel pattern, triangle pattern, all these things, and support and resistance. Of course, support and resistance, right? Okay, support, resistance, trend line, support, resistance, trend line, chart pattern, and what are the most thing that I always talk RSI. Also, this one, okay, take a look so you understand when I talk RSI the next time, right? You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so look at the market. So this one, but look bearish. Okay, the sentiment for me is bearish. Plantation, okay, plantation, dropping faster and faster. Okay, so this one don't play. Okay, this one continue to drop faster and faster. Okay, it really broke up from this channel. Okay, once it broke up from this channel means the drop is accelerating. Okay, accelerating. So this one don't play. Telecom, for what I see now, is sideways. Okay, telecom possible there is some rebound. Possible is neutral. Okay, what I see is neutral. Okay. It means possible is still capable sideways, so there's still some play over here possible. Okay, the price will oscillate inside this sideways channel. Okay, so there is telecommunication it's not so bad, okay, because it didn't make a lower low, so there's some small rebound opportunity for small rebound, short term, because it's not uptrend, okay. So this is sideways. Sideways means any opportunity window that you have is short term, okay, short term. Okay, this one not so bad, okay, at least this one not so bad. Property, okay, property KO, V-shaped recovery did not happen, making lower low, so this one bearish, continue go down, so property only pick certain stock, don't go in full force. Consumer also making lower low, okay, almost lower low already, this is a previous low, almost lower low, okay, so this one also also is bearish, okay, we can draw a channel here already actually, okay, a bearish channel, right? Okay, so bear market hard to play, so you notice, right, my strategy changed a bit, okay. I used to pick only the going up stock, okay. The stock after it go up, okay, show that it want to go up, then there is a chart pattern consolidation, okay, then a breakout, okay, then we only go for breakout, because when market is okay, market is good, we only go for those momentum stock, means we see that people are pushing it up, okay. After some people take profit, after after the price reach certain level, right, a lot of people say, hey, I take profit first, okay, because I want to lock in some profit, make some money. So after certain time, they break profit, take, then already come back here very cheap. So people will buy again, right, because this is a good stock, right? So people will buy again. Okay, so this is when the price will break out, okay, continue to go up. So we will buy, okay, the breakout, okay, to the next resistance, right? So now I'm talking about we're taking some bottom up. Price down, now stabilize, okay, trying to go back up, okay. So we are trying to take it some bottom, because now there are no upgoing stock, not many upgoing stock that you can play, okay, not many upgoing stock, okay, that you can play, okay, momentum stock that you can play. So now we are looking for bottom reversal, bottom reversal, okay, reversal strategy, okay. So now, okay, start to, because market change, okay. In the bull market, of course, we only go for strong momentum stock. Stock means going up, rest for a while, go up again, we will buy, rest for a while, go up again, we will buy, okay. So when the market change now, the market is going down, right? So you don't have this momentum stock to play, okay. So now we want to look for some reversal pattern, some of the stock that start to break higher low, okay, higher low, okay, or some reversal pattern, double bottom, okay, double bottom, okay, double bottom. So we want to look for this type of play. So, and also, right, when this type of play, of course, this type of play, right, is different from breakout. Breakout, we straight away we go in, okay. Let's say we have margin in our account, we want to go. This stock we think is very good. We want to put 10% of our capital inside. Okay, straight away we go put 10%. This one, right, is average up. Okay, we use average up. Means the first show that it reverse. Okay, we buy. We put in some capital over here. Okay, then after it breaks certain barrier, right? Certain barrier. Okay, a resistance line, okay, we will add here, okay, slowly. Also we want to damage if the thing doesn't go back, if the thing doesn't break the barrier, come back down, so we minimal, our loss is minimum, okay, minimum loss, okay. This is the way. So I changed my strategy a little bit, depend on the market. If bull market, we only go for breakout, okay, only go for momentum, fast money, okay. If breakout we take, okay, breakout with volume we take. But in this type of market, got fast money lah. Some goring stock you can watch out from goring stock. But goring stock most of the time is very dangerous. It's buying big and small. So consumption going down, similar. Logistic looks better. Okay, logistics still oscillating inside the channel, still not bad. Okay, and last week okay, looks like a strong candle. Okay, this candlestick pattern looks like strong candle, looks like you want to go up. Okay, this is bullish engulfing. We call this bullish engulfing candle. Means there could be a short-term play here, could be a short-term play. Okay, here. Okay, a short-term play towards short-term bullish. I highlighted here. Okay, short-term bullish towards this area. Okay, so okay, logistic potential. Okay, so the logistic potential, good logistic stock. They got momentum one, maybe got potential. Okay, looks because this one is still inside the uptrend. Inside the triangle uptrend triangle. Okay, so this one still okay. Okay, last week I say I say it's neutral, right? Because it couldn't break the top. It couldn't break the top of this triangle, right? It couldn't break this top triangle. Normally it will come back down. Okay, now it's come back down. Looks like now, right? Okay, look at the candlestick pattern. Okay, sideways. Boom, a stronger candle here. A stronger candle indicate that there is buying interest. Okay, so logistic is okay, and telco is okay. Technology. So technology is sideways. Okay, technology is sideways. Okay, currently sideways. So this one also we don't know where it will go. If it go up also, there will be a short-term play only. Okay, short-term play before it meet the resistance over here. Okay, so there could be a short-term play if it go up. Okay, if it goes down, now it's consolidating. Means it's sideways. Okay, so it could go up, but this is all short-term. Okay, very short-term play. But the whole trend by itself, the whole trend, okay, we talk about the long term, the whole trend. So the price break below this channel, so this one is a bearish trend. Already start bearish. It's a long-term trend, it's bearish already. Okay, means the whole sector now is bearish. Okay, it's a negative. Okay, so any rebound is only we see it as a short-term rebound. Okay, short-term only. There's no long-term play. Okay, so but the overall, this is not a positive trend. This is not a positive. This is not a positive. Okay, positive. I see logistic positive and telco. I see possible sideways and positive. This is a neutral. Okay, neutral to negative trend. So this is not strong. Possible a few stock only is good. Only a few stock that's good in such a trend. And finance cannot break out. Breakout rejected. Okay, try to break out from above. Okay, 1543 the channel but rejected. Okay, looks like no good. Doesn't look good. Okay, looks like it's coming down. Okay, looks like it's coming down. So you are unable to break. Healthcare is also very bad. Okay, so the price has already broke the previous low. Okay, the previous low already broke. Okay, so looks like after breaking the previous low, looks like it want to continue to go down. Okay, because this is supposed to be support over here. The previous low, I redraw the red color, the pink color over here, right? So as long as stay inside this pink color, still consider sideways. Okay, after it break below, okay, actually the line it broke below, only the pink color box. Okay, you showed it it haven't break, but actually if you see it already broke the line. The line is here. Okay, already broke the line. So this one is bad. Energy. So energy is still a bearish trend. Okay, energy is still bearish. Okay, trend. Until it break out from this channel. Okay, maybe if it break out from this channel, then we want to play. Okay, if we break out from this channel, then possible we opportunity to play this channel. Okay, opportunity to play. Now anything is only short term, means you buy 2-3 days, make money, run. Okay, there's no long term investment. There's no investment. If we break through, then there is possible investment. Okay, but the long term play, is still a long term is still a bad bullish trend. This one is slowly going up. Okay, slowly going up. Looks like the oil is still good. Okay, the oil price is still good. Okay, but long term is still good. But Malaysia, okay, oil is very difficult to go up. Utilities, all these, or very difficult to go up because of the MCO, right? Or you call it PPN, PPN. When economy is not fully operational, okay, how much oil that consumption that the market can use, right? Okay, did I miss anything? Okay, did I miss anything? Okay, let's go to the YouTube. Okay, so this one, English and Chinese version already done. Okay, yesterday finally done it. So watch out. Okay, go and have a look. At least you understand what is RSI. So come to some question. Janet asked about Rand Hill. Okay, tomorrow all these. Okay, tomorrow when I do stock research only, I will do because today I have to review. I have to recheck all the stock that I talk about. So today morning, since morning, I really do all the research. Okay, all the study. Look back to all the stock that I talked about whole week. So Sunday is actually no holiday. Okay, in investing, right? Investing, right? Sunday have to do a lot of homework, man, because Sunday we have to plan for next week. Okay, uh, what they call it? This is the one that I try to find out, right? Napoleon Hill, a famous author, very famous motivation author, Napoleon Hill. A lot of you guys should read some of his books. Very good. So plan your work and work your plan. So we plan on Sunday, okay, in Saturday and Sunday, okay. That's why we do all the analysis. There's no holiday for us, okay. We plan whatever. We really see shortlist our stock, see which stock possible can play, which stock cannot play. So next week, okay, we will monitor these few stock, right? So plan your work and work your plan, right? So Sunday actually is no holiday. Of course, after we do this, if we do this early, okay, after this, of course, we still have to spend time with family, all those, okay. So, of course, that one still need to do, but in the morning and the afternoon, okay, I will do the planning. Then, once I done the planning, then I'll record the video and share what is my view, okay, on for everyone. So at least, okay, at least when you guys move into going to next week, okay, you guys have a sentiment, right? You guys have a plan also, okay, a plan also. If you're doing your plan also, okay, this will be a reference for you, okay. So at least something that for you to refer to, okay, to double check, okay, whether your plan and my plan, okay, whether there's anything I can add into your add value to what you are doing, okay, on your Sunday. So Muhammad Aizam Abidin, thank you. First time see you. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you support. Thank you comment. Coxin, ask me got any Telegram group. All those no, I don't have. Okay, that one will be too much time tied up. I don't want to tie up too much time on all those telecom group because the one right need a lot of dedication, a lot of time to do. Okay, because I don't only okay invest in Malaysia market. Okay, I also do a lot of other thing. That's why US market, US market, Europe market, all those I also play other instrument. Okay, so it will be very difficult for me to do so many things. But stock market, okay, here anything I see very good, okay, I will post here. Okay, maybe in the future, okay, maybe future I will do in the future. I might want to do, okay, but now currently what I do is all here, okay, in Facebook. Any in the afternoon, I see any good opportunity during lunchtime. Okay, you check out. Okay, I will post over here. Okay, I will post over here. Okay, any opportunity, anything, I will post over here. Okay, check out here first. That one, okay, will take some time to a lot of time to do. Okay, currently for myself, I don't have that much time to to do, and I also don't want to tie myself to too much stress. Okay, because because previously when I doing work, when I'm working, when I was working, okay, I got WhatsApp 20 groups, okay, my WhatsApp, every day I have to monitor 20 groups, okay, all the group chat, all the update, everything, boom, 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 until 12 o'clock at night, okay, only can off, okay, so that time do some things. Now I want to take it a bit easy, okay, take it a bit easy, okay, I don't want to go back to that type of life, okay, again, that type of life, take it a bit easy, cool down a bit, okay, maybe after some time, okay, when I uh, uh, how to say, when I have enough of rest, okay, then only I will do it, because that one really, okay, really need a lot of dedication, a lot of time to do, okay, because there will be a lot of questions, a lot of things popping up, and if I don't reply, right, is what you call it, is no manners, right? No manners. If people keep on asking, I don't reply all those things. If I create the group, I have to spend a lot of time. If I have create the group, but then I don't reply, okay, then there is no point doing it, right? Okay, but that one is not what I want to do currently. Okay, what I want to do is I want to share my view every day. Okay, how I look at the market opportunity, I will share it here. Okay, I will not leave. Okay, I will not leave anything behind. Okay, anything. Thank you. Konnichiwa, Hayabusa. So I will still put it here. Okay, and also in the uh, Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. Okay, Twitter. My Twitter account also. So I will not put it now. Okay, maybe in the future when I plan to do something, okay, when I try to expand this trading BKS platform, okay, probably I will do it. So this one, keep say it. RSI don't think that RSI overbought, oversold straight away. You will turn around, okay, straight away you can jump in, don't jump in, you die, okay. He said, Kate, it's true, RSI, as I said, RSI goes down below 30, is to watch out only, okay, watch out, it might turn around, it's not guaranteed straight away you turn around, as you said, okay, so be careful, it's just an indicator, indicator is a lagging indicator, now it's not instantly you turn, Levin, okay, thank you, review super comment, this one tomorrow, because today, right, this session will be already too long, okay, and I already start doing all the I have to review all the stock that I talk about whole week. Okay, so I will not have that much time. So tomorrow morning, then I will look into it. Okay. Read also new one. Thank you. Learn a lot. Thank you very much. Casey, thank you. Wicked, you're always here. Thank you. So Ahmad, the Playboy cat, and the fan, who's no joke. So okay, this one, the Playboy cat say my English is better, English channel is better than the Chinese channel, okay. 顺便 OKA, okay, tomorrow, and ask me to learn, to practice more on the Chinese, yeah, okay. Of course, during last time when in school, my English is this point, around this one, my Chinese is around 45, 50, always get this result. So I'm not that good in Chinese, okay. But at least I try to learn, and I try to do it, okay. Even though I don't want to say it because my Chinese not good, okay, I don't want to start a Chinese channel, okay. We learn as we go, right? We learn as we go, okay. Even though not so good, okay, I try my best until I practice, until one day maybe I can become better, right? If I don't start, I never know, okay. So if I don't start also, I will not meet all these people, okay, all these good people over here, right? Reed, Sylvia, okay, thank you, okay. So have to start somewhere, okay. But do mind my Chinese, okay, not that good, but at least I try to learn back, okay. I don't forget about it. I try to learn back. So Solar West, okay, Solar West tomorrow, KK Liang, thank you. Kalai Seven Business, thank you. Eric, do you have a Telegram? No, no Telegram channel, okay. I don't want to open. Even now, if you put in my Facebook inbox also, I don't reply very fast, okay, because I only allocate certain time in the whole day to reply, okay, certain time to reply, or else my life, my whole life will be only doing, okay, replying message, okay. Of course, when you ask message, I have to reply, right? But I cannot be whole 24 hours doing this, okay. I also have a life, right? So I will dedicate a time, okay, that is in the afternoon, 12 o'clock when I put Facebook, and also in the evening, okay, after I do the channel, right? After I post on the channel, then I will spend some time over there because I also have to do a lot of time to research the US market because I play the US market, overseas market more than Malaysian market. Okay, just to let you know lah. So this is not all the time that I spend here. Okay, this is not all the time that I spend over here. Uh, 学到很多东西。Okay, thank you Exactly new one This one say Zack he want to go overseas market ask me opinion Okay, this one I will reply to you soon Thank you sir, keep going. Mr. Chow CITOS IPO CITOS IPO IPO I'm not that familiar IPO I'm not that familiar. Okay. IPO normally you have to do a lot of background research of the company because I'm a technical analysis, right? I look at the chart. So IPO there's no chart for you to look okay, there's no public chart for you to look. So that one for me my stand on IPO, if as I said, I think I got talk about it last week, right? Last week. Okay, I will only invest from the inside. Okay, not from the outside. If IPO either I invest from the inside means before the company want to go IPO I already invest, or I am very familiar with the inside of the company means I am very familiar from the inside. I know the boss, who is the boss. I know whether the company very strong or not, and I know all the managers there. Okay, all those things. Okay, all those I know. Okay, that company I really know very long time. Okay, 5 years, 10 years. I know all the people inside the company. Okay, I confident I will invest. Okay, I will invest. Okay, if from the outside you can see, okay, you can see the financial report, all those things okay, of course you can see a lot of things inside, but when we are not familiar with the company, right, we don't know how the company inside, how it run itself, how it run okay, a lot of things that we cannot see, a lot of things hidden. Okay, when IPO, right, a lot of things hidden we don't know. Okay, we don't know after IPO. Okay, then only we wait and see. Okay, whether it goes up or not. Okay, we have no idea. But if the company, I know the boss is number one, the management team is number one. Okay, so this company is already prepared to go to the moon one. Okay, already prepared. I know the team is very good. The company very good. Okay, the company is growing bigger and bigger, going bigger and bigger, more client, more business, and I know inside out, as I said, inside out. I only invest inside out not outside in okay. If you investing in IPO is outside in okay, means you buying from the stock market is outside in okay. I will look for inside out means pre-IPO, okay, whether there's a staff or whatever, okay, a staff inside, okay, that how do you call it? It's too complex. Okay. Don't want to talk too much about this. But inside out, my meaning is inside out. I will invest inside out. Okay, this is how I play. But there's a lot of optimism in CITOS Okay, CITOS a lot of optimism in CITOS. Okay, because CITOS the background of CITOS is the team the fintech company I heard the fintech company that support CITOS is the fintech company that also support the Mr. DIY okay, this is what I heard means this company this fintech company that supporting the listing of CTOS, okay, it's also the support DIY, and you see what happened to DIY, you see what happened to DIY. One of these is a good one of this is one of the good point. And second good point, a lot of big fund managers already invest, or fund managers or organization, or like I heard JP Morgan, all those a bank, I don't know which bank, Malaysia Bank, okay, and maybe I think EPF and PNB or something, right? EPF. So all those also invest, okay. So this one looks good, don't looks good doesn't mean it will go up, okay. If you go down, possibly it will go down also, okay. So IPO leh, if you're from outside in, okay, from outside in is, let me say it's like 50-50, because we got no idea, okay. If I'm inside out, then I know, okay, I trust that this one is higher than 50-50. This company, even though it dropped, right, during IPO, right, but this company is growing so rapidly, even IPO it dropped, okay, I can hold this stock, I don't afraid, because I know this company, I know the boss, everything, this one will definitely go up, so I will play. This is just my point, okay, just my point. Chan Subing, you are very generous and knowledge, thank you. These are all new faces, So Chloe, Julie, okay, thank you. Still, I want to buy software. Software KLSC screener is free, and I use TradingView, Okay, TradingView you have to pay, okay, have to pay yearly fee, yearly fee. You can check out at tradingview.com, yearly fee. So LC Tan, okay, all these. So a lot of people want to know CTOS, okay. CTOS looks good, from outside in. I'm talking outside in, looks good, okay. Inside out, I got no information. That's why I cannot tell you. But outside in looks good. Okay, let's go into the individual stock. I really talked a lot today. So Genetech no need to talk, Genetech already fly, too late to change, Genetech already fly, too late to change. I also make a mistake over here. I didn't follow up after take profit over here, right? I also didn't follow up. So here, okay, this is a candlestick pattern. This is telling us that you want to continue to go up. This is a trend continuation pattern. I see. I really wish take profit. I really don't monitor it because money in the pocket is happy, right? But then it continue to go up. So this one next time also after take profit, I think I should monitor those industry that is very hot one. Need to monitor. So this one I will run, but this one even I go in small only, because after here it's very dangerous. This is all organization going. It can fly like this and it can also fly like this. Okay, so this is very, you see all this candle is small, it's safe. Okay, if you turn around also, it will turn around very slow. Here this candle is so big, all controlled by organization. When they want to throw, I can tell you, it will fly. Okay, it will fly one. Okay, because all this is the organization has been accumulating a lot of stock. So when they want to take profit, the time they throw the stock out, okay, it will nosedive one. So be careful when you are chasing here. Okay, too late to chase. Here, do this one also. But okay, make the initial investment, make the initial 50% already. Okay, happy already lah. Don't always chase this one. It's very dangerous. You chase one time, you kena already. Next time you will keep on chasing. When you keep on chasing all these, okay, you hit one time, you miss two times, finish. Gamuda. So Gamuda already broke below the channel, so this one temporarily exit first until the price go back up above 3.26, then only for opportunity to go to MBB recommended target is 4.0, okay. But this one already broke below, okay. So this one out first. Once you can go back and hold inside 3.2, then only got chance, or else this one can continue to go down. because you can see the consumption index, right? Going down, all going down first. Now all everything is going down. Echo. So whole minimum stock. I will play IPO also. Okay, don't go in full force. Nobody guarantee IPO will go up. Even you see CTOS how good, no guarantee that it will go up. Like Facebook listing in US, right? Everyone think Facebook is straight away going to jump up, but after listing Facebook drop, right? Nobody thought that Facebook would drop during after on IPO. So nobody knows one. Doesn't mean Mr. DIY successful go up. Doesn't mean CTOS will guarantee will successful go up. So Echo will hold about 0.655. Looks like you want to go down. So be very careful really. Okay. If it cannot go, if it drop below 0.655, then be careful. Okay, it might continue to drop. So this one, 0.64, I'll put it 0.64. So IPO, I'm not expert. Okay, this is just what I share, what I think. I'm not expert IPO. Okay? I'm a chart guy. Okay, not the IPO guy. Okay, I'm not an IPO guy. So my 5-cent advice in the IPO, okay, is just only apply to me. Just to let you know first. Okay, so this one, be careful, not making high anymore, but this one still got chance to go. Okay, still got chance to go. Xinhua. So Xinhua looks strong, okay, after the two boss kena saman, okay, because of the payout, looks like the problem already passed, looks like rebound already, okay, rebound already see 0.43, if you can break above 0.43, hold above 0.43, got chance to go, continue go up. Paramount want to join the digital banking, right? If not mistaken, I cannot remember too many things. Paramount, I think want to join digital banking, right? Okay, so Paramount, this one, possible can buy the bottom, okay, buy the bottom, looks like it got opportunity want to go up. So if buy the bottom over here, 0.75, drop below 0.75 cut loss. If buy bottom over here, average up here little bit, then look at watch out 0.83. Okay, if it cannot break, if it can break to 0.83, add a little bit. If it cannot break 0.83, okay, if it come back down, if the price continue go up, come back down 0.83, cannot break, come back down, then maybe cut loss first. Or if the price straight away next week drop below 0.75, cut loss first, or else here can buy a little bit, here can buy a little bit. Okay, this one possibly got chance. Possible average up. ES Ceramic. So yes, any rebound. Last week got a small rebound over here. Okay, small rebound. So any more rebound? Okay, any more rebound? Okay, exit escape Tenaga. So Tenaga after the MCO continue to drop. So this one exit first. Okay, exit first. Wait for it to come back up next time. Because now MCO extend, Tenaga will be impacted. And also they have to give 40% discount, right? 5 to 40%, right? Discount to the during MCO, right? During the PPN, right? So they have to give discount, so more impact on their profit. So now a lot of U-turn. So starting from I think next week, right? A few more states will be goes to PPN stage 2, right? Means a lot of business can open already. Initially we talk about 4,000, below 4,000, whole Malaysia only can go to PPN stage 2. But now a another U-turn. Okay, now some other state can be PPS phase 2. So we don't know what is happening every day. The stock market is getting worse and worse. Opening too early also, we don't know what the consequences are. If it can explode again, if all the new cluster come out, finish again. So hopefully everyone know, okay, the government know what they're doing. Okay, I'm not political people also. Okay, I also don't want to comment too much. IG continue to fall, this one, okay, continue to fall, so this one better don't play, continue to fall. YTL. YTL also broke below channel, so this one also exit already, YTL. End to end. So end to end play the channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel, Harbour. So logistic got some chance, so watch out, watch logistic, next week, maybe got some chance, logistic. So Harbour already come to bottom channel already. You didn't manage to buy, now going up. Okay, now buy here is 50-50 what I can say is not a good place to buy. Okay, a good place to buy during this dip. Dip go back to 0.97. I put here. Okay, that day dip to around 0.4. So got chance. Now 50-50 a bit too late. Okay, because in the middle already. Okay, so but looks like you still want to go out. So quite strong. At least all still green. Harbour, okay. Maybach still strong. You see going back up, but it's too late. Okay, want to chase now, it's too late. Too near to the profit already. Okay, should have bought it earlier. Earlier when the price is quite low. Okay, so chasing now a bit too late. Okay, chasing here, if you want to chase, you can, but 50-50 50-50. Okay, you might earn some, and you can also, okay, the price can also come back down, and when it come back down, your stop loss will be quite a lot. Okay, means your profit is not, okay, normally profit we buy here, right, means we risk, let's say we risk here, right, the opportunity is 5%, means if we break out cut loss, our cut loss is 5%, right, but our profit come out maybe got 20%, okay, our target. So you see we got times 4, right, profit, then only we go in. So if it's go down also is 5, cut loss also 5, profit also is 5%, this one, right, is 50-50 All means not a very good investment, not a very good investment. Normally we want to see, we put our place at a more favorable area, means if we lose less, okay, our cut loss is less. If we win, okay, we can get double our cut loss price, right? Double or triple, means we can see far further away our opportunity. Okay, let's say I risk 1,000, right? Okay, 1,000 to get 2-3,000. Okay, that is a higher probability trade. If you every day you risk you risk 2,000 to go and earn 1,000 okay, means you are putting yourself on a very high risk trade, very high risk condition. Let's go faster. We are slowing down. Okay. Revenue. So revenue, be careful. 1.835 head and shoulder. Looks like head and shoulder. If you drop below 1.835, have to run already. Okay, if we can rebound, maybe you can look at. If you can rebound, maybe you can look at this one 2.3, 2.1, and 2.3. Okay, if you can rebound, if you cannot, cut loss. MISC. MIC broke out, but didn't actually got momentum. Okay, so possible buy break above 7.08. If we can hold above 7.08, maybe buy. Okay, buy already. Look at 6.655. Drop below 6.655, cut loss. CMSB. CMSB keep on drop keep on drop. So this one very dangerous. Well, whether you want to buy the bottom. This looks like now the price at the bottom got support over here at the bottom so possible. Okay, possible one to pick bottom 1.2. Okay, the best is wait for it to break through this one first 1.4. Okay, if we can break through 1.4, then possible it got a chance to continue go up. If we cannot break through 1.4, this one could be still. How low can it get? Peter Lynch say how low can it get? Okay, it can still continue to go low. So we want to wait for it to make a V-shape recovery first. Okay, V-shape pattern first. Then only we want to go back in. If this one want to play this one. My news consolidating in triangle. So Kenanga is saying giving a 0.95 redrop the target already. So nothing much to play now already 0.88. So 0.95 not much to play. But this one if bought already still can hold above 0.86 still can hold. Okay, if you drop below 0.86 then be careful. Slightly lower here. 0.825 drop below 0.825, then maybe have to run. Insun. So Insun have to wait for a breakout first. Okay, breakout of 5.225. If we can break above 5.225, then maybe got chance to continue go up. Wait for more momentum first. So possible buy bottom, possible buy bottom if you want to pick bottom, possible pick bottom. Okay, after here buy a little, after 5.255 buy a little, average up. Okay, and the stop loss will be here 4.85. Okay, 4.85 will be stop loss. Serba don't play Serba still got a lot of issue yet. Okay, then they got some positive They reappoint us Ernst & Young okay, to look into their stock. So this one wait for 0.57 first. If we can go above 0.57, okay, the V shape already come out then possible can try. Look at the graph. Top glove drop below support looks like it's going to the JP Morgan price 3.5. Supermax also dropped below support, supposed to be sideways inside these two pink color line but really dropped below looks like want to continue to drop. So for glove, any rebound if you go in any rebound and cut losses, you can cut your losses to less. Then maybe if you are already buying very high, then one have to keep no choice. So this one also, Alberex also broke support also broke the long term support over here. We talk about this sideways so also broke. So this one looks like going down. Continue. LKL continue. Kosan also broke the support 3.16. Now it's 3.08. So looks like it still want to continue to go down. HLT and support, got some support over here at the bottom over here, got some support so also not good. Any rebound opportunity to run Hata, okay, already broke below JP Morgan price continue to go down. So this one also any rebound and any rebound that any rebound to your near break even price, right? Just cut loss first okay, press don't play. This one very bad sentiment. So Comfort still holding, got support over here still holding. Looks like Comfort maybe can have some minor rebound. Okay. K plus also holding. Okay, still holding sideways. Okay, but the trend, but we are still looking at the downtrend. Okay. So all is negative sentiment. All the growth is get worse and worse. Okay, getting worse. You see all these Taiko, okay, Big Brother all already dropped below support already. So this is not good at all. And then take NILEX. So NILEX is play the channel. This one, so this one nothing can do. Wait for the price to drop slightly lower first. Okay, between 0.75 to 0.82 somewhere here rebound, then only buy. This 50-50 already. It's not worth to go in. NILEX. Income. Okay, income could be head and shoulder here, so be careful. Okay, if the price cannot hold above 1.445, cut loss. Okay, if the price can hold above 1.445, then got chance for another move towards 1.8. Okay, channel. Okay, so buy bottom channel. Okay, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Okay, but this one could be forming a head and shoulder, so be careful if the price drop below this channel. Okay, have to run 1.445. TRC. So TRC is holding above the channel. So if you can hold above channel, you can hold. If it drop below the channel, have to exit. Okay, 0.335. If it drop below 0.335, then have to exit. So the sentiment is just bad, very very bad. After all the political issue, all the COVID issue, so the sentiment is just bad. So side part nothing to see, continue to fall. SCGM. So CGM in the channel, so the price fall down back to the bottom of the channel. Okay, opportunity to buy the bottom channel, sell the top channel. Kion. So Kion cannot go in first. RSI haven't go above 50. I post on Facebook there. RSI need to go above 50. That's why you have to check out my RSI video. RSI. Okay, RSI haven't go to 50. So this one still not an uptrend yet. Tama want to get the digital bank license. So still hold towards 0.625. Okay, hopefully it can reach. If it drop below 0.455, cut loss. RSP. So RSP sideways, so hold above 5.32. Okay, if you drop below 5.32, cut loss. Because of the loan moratorium, will affect them. Marsing, we thought that Marsing gonna come back after the glove factory open, right? But it didn't. So Marsing continue drop, hold 0.84 hold. It dropped below 0.84, then have to cut loss. Alliance say the insurance business not so good this year, right? So continue to drop. Okay, so this one looks big. So in a triangle, but trying to break down the triangle already. So this one better don't play. MK really tough, right? Not yet. MK also want to get a digital license, digital bank license. This one really near the top already. Too late to buy. Want to buy it when the price drop back to the 0.215 area. Okay, only buy the bottom, sell the top. Buy the bottom, sell the top. This is cheap. This is expensive. This is cheap. This is expensive. This is cheap. This is expensive. Oh no. So Cardano already broke below the channel. Okay, so this one bearish. Okay, it's bearish. Looks like want to continue to go down. So not a good investment for now. Sakura Energy, a lot of debt. Okay, but the market is optimistic, saying that it got chance. Okay, so we look at here. Okay, look at the trend line, look at the channel. So RSI went above 50, drop back below 50. Not enough momentum. We want it to be able to hold above 50 1-2 days. Then only this one most probably can go back to JFS APEC research. Target is 0.17. Okay, so this one it cannot hold above means it could continue to drop. So this one if buy already, stop loss is 0.12. G packet, so G packet no bullish issue. So nothing to play. G packet. Continue to sleep. Nothing to play. Hapsing doing the biscuit. We talk about biscuit got chance. Okay, Hapsing. So Hapsing try to break out. So if the price can go above 0.95, hold above 0.95, got chance. So stop loss is 0.93. Below 0.93. Huatai. Okay, Huatai buy already bottom channel, so hold until it go to the top channel. Okay, between here 0.6 to 0.7, 0.63 to 0.72. So take profit. Apollo people chasing the dividend, but still going up. As I said, if it continue to go up, it most likely can cover this gap. Okay, it got chance to cover this gap. Which you can look at 4.3 possible got chance. Okay, the top over here possible. It can come cover the gap. Okay, between 4 to 4.24 to 4.24 to 4.22 to 4.39 target. Okay, short term target. So possible it can cover the gap. Euro looks weak. Okay, but there's a gap here, but looks weak. Want to play wait for a V shape first. V shape. Okay, better V shape to enter. This one Euro is quite weak. Looks weak. Looks weak. Looks weak. On the pick bottom or not, this one I'm not so sure. This one Euro. On the pick bottom or not, I'm not so sure. But it looks quite weak. Or maybe you see a few more days, the price can continue to go up. Okay, bypass this gap. There's a gap over here. Okay, once the price can go up to this gap area, maybe got chance to pick bottom. Look at steel stock. I don't need to talk about steel stock. Look at Haptech enough already. Okay, steel price, as I said, resistance, now the price going back down, after it came back up, hit the resistance going back down, so Haptech also falling. So this one, long time already said, don't play. Any rebound is run only. Okay, don't play. Headstar probably head and shoulder. Okay, if you can hold above 0.895, okay, so still okay. If you cannot hold, cut. So this one, if you can hold above 0.695 going back up, so possible you can. It's heading up to the top channel, around 1.22. Silver, K Power, SIB. This one, I already talked on Friday. I'll just take a quick look. Silver, I already talked just now. SCIB. Okay, SIB still holding. Okay, still holding SIB. Okay, this one probably choose pick bottom here, break the resistance at a bit, or the target will be around 1.48 or 1.48, because this is the price before the short-term target, before the big problem, before the issue, before the big dump. Okay, so this one 1.48 will be our short-term target. So want to see how to play this one, look at the Friday, Thursday video. K Power also, okay, looks like it's holding here. Okay, we continue to drop, stop loss will be 0.625. If we continue go up, our target will be 1.575. Okay, this is the price before the big drop. Vivo big investment into foreign investment. Vivo. So we can just watch out. Okay, we want to see whether if got any big reversal pattern, means it make higher low, okay, or make double bottom, big double bottom, all these pattern, then only we try to go in. Pick bottom. Johor Tin. Jojin try to break bottom, because double bottom here, so this one possible can enter a little bit, break 1.6, enter a little bit. Okay, so target long term target will be 2.05. Okay, that's it for today. So remember, help me subscribe, okay, to the channel. If you like my content, remember to like, to support my channel, and also share this with your friend. If your friend is also in stock market, remember in the afternoon, okay, anything, any news, any big news, any opportunity I see, I post in Trading with KS, my Facebook. Okay, so do leave your comment, and remember, I haven't do any Telegram group, all those yet. Okay, so far, no plan to do in the near future. Maybe in the future, yes, possible. Okay, but not now. Okay, so thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.